Hey, beautiful humans. So recently I was hanging out with two friends like in a public park, and there was a dude singing opera, like full out loud singing opera, right? And I was like, damn, I love this guy. I was just enjoying the show. He wasn't holding back at all. He was going for it.
I had a dream my life would be so different now.
So this impressed me because this for me was like a demonstration of ultimate do not give a fuck, social freedom to the max, right? Did not care at all. Now, I know you might be thinking, big deal. It's just a dude expressing himself, singing in the park. What's the big deal? Well, you're right. It shouldn't be a big deal. It shouldn't be a big deal going to the club and dancing around like crazy, or doing public speaking, or doing stand-up comedy, or singing your favorite song in front of a bunch of random people. But most people don't feel comfortable doing any of those things. Most people are not comfortable expressing themselves in front of a group of people, even when it's the thing that they, love, or maybe it's their hobby or their passion, whatever. They're not comfortable with it. Okay? Why is that? Isn't that a little bit weird? What's like, shouldn't we all just be able to do the thing that we want to do in front of people? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, what's going on here? We live in a society that doesn't really encourage us to be different or original or to express ourselves fully, right? The whole system is based on actually the opposite of that. They want everybody to conform. The whole thing is conform. From birth, they do everything they can to traumatize you at birth. Look into it. I don't have time to go into all that. And then, school, making you not be able to do anything creative that you actually from the heart want to do. So literally, you want to dance and sing? No, you're going to sit down here and memorize some shit that's fucking useless. And so they start taking all the creativity and all the authentic expression out of you immediately. And that just continues on to high school. And then you go into that, and then you get a degree, and then you do some shitty job you don't even like. And your whole life is basically ruined. And you know the rest. It's just the same shit show for everybody. At no point in there is there like a, hey, if we could just get people to express like authentically what they love. That's not in the, it's literally the whole system is to stop you from being yourself. Literally, that the entire system has one goal: to prevent you from being the authentic expression of you. That's literally the Matrix. That's the world we live in. That's not the only program running, but that's a big one. Trauma, fear, comply. That's pretty much sums it up, okay? If we lived in a system that was about healing and love and unity and just literally coming from a good place, people would not be afraid to express themselves authentically because you would feel whole. If you're already getting love and you feel good and you're accepted and you're like, it's all good, life is beautiful, you wouldn't be so desperate to make sure other people around you, will love you. You wouldn't give a shit if you did a comedy show or sang or danced and people were like, that guy's weird. You would not care if people thought you were weird. It's because we're so cut off from love in this system that we're so terrified to do something. Oh my God, I'm going to do something and somebody's not going to like me. Somebody might not approve of me. If you loved yourself truly and you were whole, you would not give a shit what people around you thought.
If you'd like to express yourself more authentically, have more love in your life, and just meet way more amazing people, you might consider joining our Social Freedom Challenge. The links are below.
Don't worry, it's not your fault. You live in a trauma-based mind control system. So you not being able to express yourself, that's the plan. And they are doing a great job. Okay, everybody's under trauma-based mind control. If you're not sure just how brainwashed people are, how many people are walking around on the street on a nice day, fresh air around them, with a fucking mask on? How many people are driving their cars with a mask on? You don't have to think too hard to see just how far the brainwashing agenda has gone. Everybody's under it. Everybody, say 95, 98%. So, what's my point? Because I could talk about this for 40 minutes. Don't watch the TV. Start loving yourself. Be nice to yourself. Be kind to yourself. Forgive yourself. Give yourself lots of kisses. Eat good food. Get good sleep. You got toxic people in your life, get them out of your life. Do the inner work. Drop all the poopy things. Do all the good things. If you start doing things that are uncomfortable. Start taking chances. Start expressing yourself authentically, doing you, whatever that is for you, regardless of what anybody thinks. And you start making a habit of that, you will naturally become more and more comfortable being who you are, and you will naturally start to wake up out of the programs that are running all of us. We just started a 21-day social freedom challenge. As it happens, they're pretty life-changing, I have to say. So if you want to join a bunch of amazing humans who are pushing their comfort zones and getting closer and closer to being who they really are on a daily basis, you can join us. It's down there. Other than that, don't tell anybody about this video. People will think you're weird. They're going to judge you. You're trying to improve your life. It's just very different. It's very different what's being said here. So it's better you just watch it and say nothing to anybody. Just act like you didn't see it. But do the things I've said. It'll help you.